Hi guys, in front of me is Realme P1 and let me show you how to check for software updates. At first, open the settings, then find and select About Device, and here mark on a Realme. Now wait as your device is scanned. It is checking for updates, and you'll be informed within a couple of seconds if your system is up to date or if it should be updated. Okay, so it takes a bit longer, most probably due to my Wi-Fi, but in a normal way, just within a couple of seconds you'll be informed if your system is up to date or if it should be updated. And here you will locate the sign, and you will also be able to update it straight from this panel. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.